So you're ready to launch your business online, huh? Pretty exciting stuff. And we know choosing the right web developer, well, it's a big deal.
It can feel overwhelming, that's for sure.
Absolutely. So today we're diving into some materials about Webage, this Romanian company that seems to have caught your eye.
Right, let's see what they're all about.
Yeah, we'll look at what they offer, what it might cost you, and most importantly, you know, could they be the right fit for what you're trying to do online?
The big question.
Exactly. Now, they seem to do it all, from simple stuff like setting up a contact form
Right, the basics.
to building a full-blown online store. I have to admit, looking through their stuff, I was pretty impressed by just how much they say they do.
Yeah, it's a good sign that they can handle different kinds of businesses at different stages, too.
Exactly. I mean, someone just starting out might only need a basic website, right?
Sure.
But then someone with more customers, maybe they're ready for a whole online shop, the whole shebang.
Exactly. And it looks like this company, Webage, has options for all of that.
Which brings me to the big question, the one we all want to know.
How much is this going to cost?
You got it. And here's where Weavage actually impressed me right off the bat. They are upfront about their pricing.
Okay, I like that. Transparency is so important, but you're right, you don't always see it.
No, you don't. So many times it's contact us for a quote, and you're left in the dark.
It makes you wonder what they're hiding, right?
Right. So with Weavage, we actually have some numbers to work with.
Okay, let's hear it. What are we talking about here?
Well, they start at 99 euros if you want, say, a simple online form.
Okay, not too bad.
Right. But then for a fully functional e-commerce site, you're looking at starting prices around 14 euro in India.
It's more serious, obviously.
Of course, of course. This is just to give us a general idea.
Yeah, every project's different.
Exactly. The final price tag always depends on all the nitty-gritty details.
Yeah.
But at least it gives you a ballpark figure, which is super helpful when you're trying to,
Wrap your head around the budget.
Precisely. And speaking of budget, I did notice they offer these monthly payment plans, which could be a lifesaver for startups, anyone watching their cash flow super carefully.
Oh, yeah, that flexibility can make a huge difference when you're just getting off the ground.
Right. It makes professional web design way more accessible when you don't have to plunk down a huge sum all at once.
For sure, for sure.
Now, I'm thinking, some people listening might be thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but I wouldn't even know where to begin with building a website.
It can be intimidating if you've never done it before.
And that's where I found something kind of cool on their website.
Yeah.
A get a quote in 5 minutes calculator.
A what?
Yeah. You basically choose the features you want. Click, 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 and bam, instant cost estimate.
Well, that's handy. So much for those vague contact us forms.
Right. But then again, there's always a but, isn't there?
It's the catch. There's always a catch, right?
Well, it's about finding that balance. This calculator, it's great for getting a rough idea, but a website, it's more than just a checklist of features.
It's the face of your business online.
Exactly. It should tell your story. So while this calculator is great for a quick estimate, it might miss some of those finer details.
The things that make your business unique, right?
Exactly. It's a starting point, not the finish line. Now, speaking of which, Weavage, they seem pretty confident in their ability to deliver all this, the human touch and all.
That's what they're saying, at least.
Yeah, they're talking about their experience, their focus on customer satisfaction, and of course, that transparent pricing that we already gave them a gold star for.
All good things. But we know talk is cheap, right? We gotta look deeper beyond the marketing gloss.
Exactly. Time to put on our detective hats.
Yeah, gotta see if they can walk the walk, right?
Exactly. So how do we do that?
Well, look for proof, right? Testimonials, case studies, that kind of thing.
The receipts.
Exactly. And if you can, maybe even talk to some of their past clients directly.
Oh, I like that. Getting the inside scoop.
It's the best way to see if they actually deliver on those promises.
Totally. Now, before we get into the weeds of all the services they offer, I did want to circle back to something. They offer a free consultation.
Oh, yeah, that's a smart move on their part.
What do you think about those? Are they worth people's time?
I think so. I mean, it's low risk, right? It's a chance for someone to get a feel for them, how they communicate, if the personalities click.
It's like a first date, but for your website.
Exactly. You can ask questions, see what they value, make sure you're on the same page. Because, let's be real, building a website, it's a team effort. You're going to be working closely with these people.
So true. You want to make sure you can actually stand each other.
At least that.
Exactly. Now let's get into some of those services. One thing that jumped out at me was their focus on WordPress and WooCommerce, especially for e-commerce.
Right. That makes sense.
What's the deal with that? Why those platforms?
Well, I think it shows they get their target audience, people who are new to this whole online business thing.
Okay, I see that.
WordPress, it's known for being user-friendly, even if you're not super techy. And WooCommerce, it integrates seamlessly with it.
So it's kind of a 1-2 punch?
Exactly. You get a powerful e-commerce platform that's not a nightmare to use.
Gotcha. And what makes that combo, WordPress and WooCommerce, so good for online businesses specifically?
It's the plugins, man.
Plugins.
Plugins. Think of it like this. You can automate your social media, track your inventory, even offer personalized discounts, all automatically.
Whoa, wait, really?
All with a few clicks. WooCommerce plugins make it happen.
That's amazing. So much easier than doing it all manually.
Exactly. It's like having a whole team of digital helpers working behind the scenes.
Okay, now that is powerful stuff. Anything else people should know about these platforms?
Oh, I almost forgot the best part. The communities. Both WordPress and WooCommerce, they have huge communities online, tons of support, resources, all that.
So if you get stuck, you're not alone.
Exactly. Someone out there has probably already solved whatever problem you're having.
That is so reassuring, especially when you're new to all this. It's like having a safety net. Now, we've talked a lot about going with a company like Webage, but what about those DIY website builders out there? Why would someone choose a pro when those platforms exist?
That's a great question, and it really depends on what you need. DIY platforms are tempting. They're usually cheaper, but they have limitations.
Like what?
Well, your design choices might be limited, and you might not have access to those fancy features we were just talking about, those game-changing plugins.
Ah, I see. So you trade off some convenience and maybe features.
More control and customization, exactly.
So with a company like Webage, what are you really paying for?
It's about expertise, really. They handle the design, the technical stuff, and they're thinking about your brand, your overall message, not just throwing a website together.
So it's like you could assemble IKEA furniture yourself.
Sure, it's cheaper.
But if you want something truly custom, you go to a craftsman.
Exactly. Both get the job done, but the results are going to be different. And remember, your website, it's your first impression online.
It's the digital storefront.
That's it. So yeah, it deserves that extra attention, that special touch. Okay, so Weebage seems pretty great, right? But
There's always a but, right?
yeah.
No company's perfect.
Yeah.
What might give someone second thoughts about working with them?
Well, one thing that comes to mind is, the language barrier.
Ah, that's right. They're based in Romania.
Exactly. And while they say they work in English, sometimes things can get lost in translation, especially with those nitty-gritty design details.
That makes sense. Even when everyone speaks English, those little cultural differences in how we communicate, they can trip us up sometimes.
Totally. So that's something to be aware of with any international collaboration, really. Just being extra clear, asking for clarification when you need it. And always, always read that contract carefully.
Due diligence, right?
Absolutely.
Now, I know we've been talking a lot about Webage, but you mentioned earlier that Romania actually has this really exciting tech scene.
Oh, yeah, it's booming.
So what's the competition like?
You've got everything, really.
Yeah.
Big companies, small ones, some specialize in one thing, like e-commerce or app development. Others are more well-rounded, like Webage.
So many choices.
The key is finding that company that matches your needs, your budget, even your company culture.
Finding that perfect dance partner.
Exactly.
So as we wrap up our deep dive here into the world of Webage and launching your business online, any final words of wisdom for our listeners?
Just remember this. Your website, it's more than just a website. It's your brand, your values. It's you out there in the world.
Your digital handshake.
Exactly. So don't just focus on the features or the price tag. Think about the feeling. Does this company get you? Can they help you build something that feels authentically you?
Such a good point. You want someone who not only sees your vision, but amplifies it.
100%. Don't be afraid to aim high, dream big, and find those people who can help you make those dreams a reality.
And on that inspiring note, we'll wrap it up. To all our listeners out there, this is just the beginning of your online journey. Do your homework, trust your gut, and don't be afraid to reach out if you need a helping hand along the way. Until next time.